Shri Sai Satcharitra in Marathi by late Govind Raghunath Dabholkar. Translation in English by late Zareen. Adhyay 20, OV 111. मी अशरीर सर्वत्र एक, मज होनी कोणी नाही आणिक. मीच की सकलांचा व्यापक, स्वरूपोन्मुख हे ज्ञान. I am formless and everywhere. There is nobody besides me. I am in all creation is the expression of a self-realized man. पूर्ण ब्रह्म स्वरूपच्युत ऐसा हा जीवात्मा पूर्वव्रत. कधीतरी स्वस्वरूपाप्रत पावावा निश्चित हे ध्येय. Man has fallen from the highest state of Brahmahood. His definite determination should be to retrieve that lost position again, somehow, in some way. श्रुती, स्मृती आणि वेदांत या सर्वांचा हाची सिद्धांत, हेची अंतिम साध्य निश्चित, च्युतासी अच्युत पद प्राप्ती. The Shrutis, Smritis and the Vedant philosophy also propagate this. This is surely the ultimate aim, that the fallen may be lifted back to his original state. Samah sarveshu bhuteshu जोवरी अप्राप्त हा स्थितिविशेषु, तोवरी न भूतात्मा ऋषिकेषु ज्ञानप्रकाशु समर्थ. God resides in every being till such time that this consciousness is not attained. Enlightenment cannot be granted even by Lord Rishikesh himself. विहित कर्मे चित्त शुद्ध होता होईल अभेद बोध. शोक मोहादि संस्कृति विरुद्ध प्रकटेल सिद्ध ज्ञानते. By performance of one's duties, the mind will be purified. The concept of the oneness of the Atma will be clear, and this knowledge will protect, like a shield, against the dualities of passion and miseries of the material world. अखिल त्रैलोक्य सचराचर आच्छादी जो ईश परमेश्वर. निष्क्रिय निष्कल जो परात्पर, तो अशरीर सदात्मक. That Almighty God who envelops all the three worlds along with the organic and the inorganic beings is inactive, blemishless, beyond the material nature, formless. नाम रूपात्मक हे विश्व, सबाह्य आच्छादी हा ईश, तोमीच भरलो अशेष, निर्विशेष रूपत्वे. God pervades the world of names and forms, from inside and outside. I alone am that all-pervading spirit, devoid of any particular shape. अस्तु वस्तुतः जे निराकार, माया गुणे भासे साकार, कामुका पाठी हा संसार, तोची असार निष्कामा. That which in reality is without a form appears to possess a form because of illusion. For a covetous person, only this material world exists, but the very same world is meaningless for a non-attached person. हे यत्किंचित भूत भौतिक जगत चेतना चेतनात्मक, ईश्वरची हा अद्वितीय एक निर्धार निशंक करावा. This ordinary material world of beings, movable and immovable objects, should not be taken into account at all. You should have full faith in God, who is the Supreme One. जगत बुद्धीचा हा विवेक, जरी मनासी पटेना देख, तरी हे धन हिरण्यादिक, यांचा अभिलाख न करावा. If you cannot comprehend this concept about this world and its nature, then at least try and give up the passion for accumulation of wealth and gold, etc. हेही जरी न घडे तरी जाणावे आपण कर्माधिकारी आमरणांत शतसंवत्सरी कर्मची करीत राहावे. Even if this is impossible to practice, then remember that you only have a right to action. Perform duties as long as you live, even if it be for 100 years.